Hey everyone, the Potrat here. Now, given the situation currently, which I don't need to elaborate further, there are going to be a lot more frequent videos and most likely streams coming into this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, it is definitely a great time. Given that there's now more time available, I can finally make more content for you. More time drawing and making tutorials and maybe follow-alongs and whatever other ideas I came up with or you guys suggest to me that I didn't think of. So be sure to keep an eye out for those. I haven't decided yet what additional exclusive content that I'm going to bring to those who are my patrons. I used to do streams where I would tweak somebody's drawings and I think I will do that again too. The background drawing you see now is something that I'm practicing on my tablet. It's not finished. I want to get back to digital art a bit. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or suggestions of what you want to see or learn, whether it is consistent videos or streams, and especially my supporters, I know most of you are just supporting what I do because you believe it is a good thing to have more art in the world. But what content you want to see, if it's doable, I'll definitely put that as a priority also. So this is a great time to subscribe and maybe go a little further and be a patron so you can get all the contents and have direct access to me. You can send me messages and every time I stream I'll be on Discord and so on. It is always a great time, but now is an even better time to learn and maybe create something beautiful and uplifting, and I'm here to help you. So let's focus a bit more on the positive, and I'm going to bring more value to you guys. So definitely leave a comment and let me know what do you think, and thanks everyone and stay safe.